Kia ora tātou, ko Harlem-Cruz Atarangi Ihaia tōku ingoa. Ko taku mahi tēnei rā, he momo whakapai whare, he mahi ngā mahi o papatūānuku.
Kōrero mai mo te kaupapa nei, making moves.
Nā reira, ko te mahi making moves, he whakapai ngā whare, I roto, I waho, I wanganui, runga rawa. Yeah, but it's pretty much all the services you need for property maintenance. However, what makes us different to every other service out there is that we have a rangatahi work simulation program where rangatahi and whānau can do our program and gain paid work experience. And another community give back that we do is that a lot of the paid pūtea that comes in from public jobs helps us fund our free services for kaumātua, whānau with disabilities, solo parents that need just that extra hand.
Yeah, that's amazing. So what's our kaumahi rangatahi up to today?
So pretty much this is a kaumātua job. So it's a free job for our kaumātua koroapi over there, and he's asked our crew to come in and help him do an outdoor clean-up of his section.
When I heard about this program a couple of weeks ago, and I said, oh, that's awesome, but my property is too big for me. And so when she mentioned that, hey, we can come and clean your gardens up a koro, and I said, kapai. And you know, and all these young ones are learning these skills, which is so important, for our people.
Would you call them handy or cheeky?
A bit of both, You can't just work and be sad, There's these young ones laughing and joking, and that's what it's all about.
Well, I'm a new mum, so when you're a new mum, you sort of get stuck in isolation. You sort of just put yourself in one category, which is just a mum. But I found out I'm actually all good. Like, I can actually work well with my hands, and I enjoy good vibes. So it was good coming out of that. Yeah, that box of just being a mum. I feel like this kaupapa helps me give back and helps me also portray the upbringing I had, and I can share it with other kaumātua. Yeah, I love it. Much love, whānau.
We've been able to create a kaupapa that has created a solution for a problem in terms of rangatahi and whānau re-engaging with employment. None of this whānau are getting paid, and they've turned up every single day to perform free mahi, and I think it's about the fact they can give back and probably feel engaged in a supportive movement.
For any rangatahi or anyone out there who would love to be as entrepreneurial as you are, what advice do you have to give for them?
I think the best advice that I can give you is know your passion and always dream big and just go for it. And pretty much what I've learned is you have to jump in it and learn as you go. So yeah, mahi atu mahi.